Today, we are going to discuss your ACA 115 academic portfolio. First, we are going to describe what a portfolio is, and then secondly, we are going to discuss what goes into your portfolio. First and foremost, a portfolio is a collection of items organized in a notebook or file or even online in some cases that show and visually represent your strengths, your abilities, and most importantly, your learning and your experiences in the academic environment. Your ACA 115 portfolio is going to document your learning throughout this semester in ACA 115. Well, let's talk about what you're going to need in order to create your portfolio. First, you're going to need a white binder or 3-ring binder. And I chose white because first, it is professional, and secondly, it has clear cover so that I can include a cover page, which is my first requirement in the ACA portfolio. So here is my cover page, and as you can see, it has a title, it has my name, and it even has contact information. In addition to the binder, you're also going to need a sheet protectors. We're going to put everything in our portfolio in sheet protectors because first, it protects your materials, and also it is professional. In addition to sheet protectors, you're also going to have at least 4 tabs, okay? And these are also called dividers. And well, this is actually the divider. Here's the tab, and as you can see, I've labeled my tab. Now, what tabs are you going to have in your portfolio? Well, let's talk about that. Your first requirement in your portfolio, as I said, was a cover page, but it does not require a tab. The next 4 items will require tabs. Your goals, and you guys have already talked about goals in your classes. You should have typed 2 short-term goals and 2 long-term goals by now. Additionally, you're going to have your educational plan and your career key. Your educational plan is a 4-semester plan, or 4 to 6 semester plan that documents your educational career here at James Brown and documents how you will get your degree. And this is very similar to what your educational plan will look like, except for it will be filled in. You should also think about including an actual plan of study. This is from School Age Education. And then your career key is actually also called your Highland Code. And this is something that we will do throughout the course. And it's going to look like this right here. And it is a packet and has several pages that will be filled out. So your first tab was your goals. Your second tab was your educational plan and career key. Your third tab is going to be your learning styles inventories. And these include the BARSH, the VAC, the social learning inventory, and hemispherical dominance inventory, or how your brain learns. And we will actually do these in class as well. Your last tab is going to be sample work. Sample work includes anything that you've done throughout the semester that you've done well in. For example, tests, papers that you've written, projects that you've completed, anything that you have done throughout the semester that you're particularly proud of. Now, here is the important thing. Sample work. You must have 4 pieces. That means you need to have either, a paper, a test, a project, and another paper, or some kind of activity, but you need to at least have 4. All right? So that concludes what is included in your portfolio. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call your instructor throughout the length of the portfolio planning phase. We would be more than happy to answer any of your questions. So please contact us with any questions or concerns. Thank you so much, and good luck.